Alright, so I'm at a new house now. They're moving out. I think it's 1709. I just got my first good signal. And it's looking like a large scent. Yeah, nice condition. See if I can't get a date. Ugh. Oops. I mean, this thing was, I really did not think this was going to be a large scent. Sorry for the camera work. I didn't bring my other camera, so. Looks like the front is a little bit roasted. So I'm going to have to clean this when I get home to see what it is. Hopefully I can get a date. But definitely 1 cent. Cool. Alrighty. On to the next. Alright, so I'm not even a couple feet away from where I found the large scent. Just found a nice suspender clasp. Not focusing very well. There you go. Pretty common. Cool. Alright, so I worked my way all the way in the house, went in front of there. I actually found a V-nickel on the other side of the fence there. I forgot to tape it. Been working my way back and forth here. Some brass items. Got this screaming 1247 signal right by this fire pit here. And I was not expecting this. Hopefully you can see that. Humongous, and I gouged it a little bit. But it is an absolute humongous crotal bell. Interesting to see if it's got any missing. He's huge. And I think I found a portion of one this size before, but never a complete one. This is just awesome. Awesome. It's huge. My God. It's made out of brass. You can see I dinged it. Dang it. I mean, it was just bigger than I expected it to be. Wow. Doesn't have any designs on it. I don't know how old it is, but it's humongous. Interesting to see it has the clapper still in there. Clacker, clapper. Don't even know what it's called. I'll have to look that up. But oh my goodness, this thing is cool. Oh, super excited. Alright. Yeah, very cool. Do not think that's a sleigh bell. I'm not seeing any identifying marks on it right now, but doesn't have any. Oops. Oh gosh, it's huge. All right, on to the next. Alright, moved over this way from when I found the nice bell. Looks like I found a nice 2-piece cuff button maybe. Kind of beat up. There you go. Shank's gone. It's all beat up. It's probably some sort of state seal button. I saw writing on the side of it. Still has some gold gilt left on it. I should be able to read that and figure out what the slogan is and figure out which state seal it is for. Alright, I'm back at the 1703 house. Got my normal gear on. Just finishing off gridding this field here. Found a matchbox car over there. First older signal is an ox knob. See, a pretty interesting one. It's pretty fat. So I don't know how to date these. But it's pretty neat. Alright, I'll let you know how I do. I just found this big piece of brass here. You can read it this way. It says 30. Right here is 40, so I think it would be like this. I think it might have been a sundial. I don't know. It's not normally how. I don't know. But there's got some sort of design there. It's very thick. Look at this. I don't know. I'll clean it off, see what it is. Alright. It's got, I think it's some sort of pin. Dinged it a bit, unfortunately. I'm bummed. It was reading really shallow like tinfoil, so I was not careful. But it looks like it was silver plated. There's a pin on the back right there. It's probably like this. I don't know what it's going to look like. There you go. Pretty neat. Silver plated pin. Alright, so I think I got something good here. It's reading 12.8. So, and it's pretty thin. I'm thinking it's a flat button. Oh, no shank. Darn it. Looks like it's probably tom back. Cool. Especially with it reading 218. Yeah, nice tom back button. No shank. Second one this size I found on this property, so that's always good. Alright, I got a 1218 signal, and I thought most likely a pull tab, maybe a nickel. And literally, if you look, it's like, I don't know why it's so close to the surface, but it's another tom back button. Crazy. I don't know why the soil's so disturbed here, but... Alright, got another strong signal. It was like 1238. That was going to be like a penny. Turns out to be another button. Again, 3 inches down. This is a big dandy button. Nice. Still has a little bit of its silver plate on it. No design that I could see. Frock button, dandy button. Pretty cool. That'll clean up. Ooh, nice. Well, if there's anything left, this is the lead part of a bridal rosette, and a little bit of brass right there. don't think this is the complete one. All right, out in the front now. Got about 15 minutes left. Gonna see what I can find up here. I found a lot of coin signals up here that on my way out I didn't want to dig. I think they're all modern, but I should never make those assumptions. Just got a plug, cut the plug, and got a little two-piece button here. Decorative. You can still see it has gold gild left on it. Might clean up nice. Cool. Alright, back for another visit at the 1709 house here. Out in this field here. I'm actually going to work up that overgrown area, try to get into the woods and see what I could find. I know there's another structure back there. Well, on my way I had a kind of iffy signal. Now it's kind of turned into a (938), 1137, some sort of brass or copper. Could even be a large cent. We shall see. Here it is. You know what? This looks like more of that figure I found the first time I was out here. Same kind of metal, I think. Yeah. It's kind of crazy. But I don't know what the metal is, but some sort of pot metal, zinc. Alright, so this is reading 1224, but I think this is silver. It might be handmade or something. Oh yeah, look at how it's shining up. It's got some neat little designs on the end here. I don't know what it was. It looks like some piece of silver. Hand-carved designs on it, that's for certain. That's old silver. I don't know if you can see that. I know.